Partition walls are no longer just dividers. In 2026, they have become stylish design elements that add beauty, privacy, and functionality to modern homes. Modern partition walls are designed to create separate zones without making the space feel closed. Popular designs include wooden slat partitions, glass dividers with metal frames, and laser-cut panels that add a decorative touch. These designs are perfect for living rooms, dining areas, home offices, and even bedrooms. In 2026, natural materials and soft colors are leading the trend. Light wood finishes, neutral tones, and matte textures create a calm and elegant look. For smaller homes and apartments, open partitions with shelves or vertical panels help maintain brightness while offering extra storage or display space. Another rising trend is multifunctional partition walls. These include TV unit partitions, bookshelf dividers, and sliding or folding panels that can be adjusted according to your needs. Japandi and minimal style partitions are also gaining popularity, focusing on clean lines and simple aesthetics. Decorative partitions with arches, fluted panels, and textured finishes are ideal for adding character to modern interiors. For a luxurious feel, designers are using combinations of wood, glass, marble finishes, and subtle lighting. Whether you want privacy, better space utilization, or a stylish focal point, partition wall designs in 2026 offer endless possibilities. These modern ideas are perfect for creating a beautiful, organized, and well-balanced home interior that feels open yet defined.